Minister of Justice gives SUDIR per area 450 million shilling in rent. The Minister of ICT gives SUDIR 320 million. The Minister of Gender at Simbamanyo pays SUDIR 250 million. The Anti-Corruption Court in Kororo gives SUDIR 180 million shilling per month. The Minister of East African Affairs pays SUDIR 280 million shilling at Kingdom. The Equal Opportunities Commission pays SUDIR 86 million shilling at Kingdom. Minister of Internal Affairs pays another 60 million shilling because of some other smaller departments. Parliament of Uganda pays 860 million shilling to SUDIR every month. Presidential advisors, these ones are Maria Chambade, Kamuntu, Sarah Chiyinji, who sit at Kingdom. Every month they pay 66 million shilling in rent. Uganda Revenue Authority pays SUDIR 300 million shilling for a warehouse on Kampala Road. The Electoral Commission pays 300 million shilling to SUDIR for a warehouse in Intinda. Which means, if you total this, that every month government pays SUDIR every month 2.9 billion shilling, which translates into 97 million shilling per day and 4 million shilling per hour and 600,000 per minute. So every minute SUDIR collects 600,000 from government. Mr. Museveni will need now to tell us, because he now wants to add ostensibly to construct a conference facility for a meeting of non-aligned movement. What is so special with SUDIR? And how does SUDIR sniff these opportunities in the government? How does he get to know? The same SUDIR took over land formerly of CMI, is about to finish a building there, and then you will see government departments running there. The same SUDIR took over land for Chitante School near Kampala Parents, is constructing. You will see government running there. What is so special with SUDIR? Is it SUDIR or Mr. Museveni and his agents are hiding under SUDIR? We cannot afford to give SUDIR 100 billion shilling, yet we are now stuck as government to the extent of borrowing money from money lenders from Kenya. Mr. Museveni must tell us, if it is him who is taking the money, then we will know. And I want to warn Mr. Museveni, today you have guns surrounding you, you are in charge. Tomorrow you are not in power. That's what happened to Zuma in South Africa and GOV'T. Combined they were freezing South Africans, which SUDIR now is doing with Museveni. Really, do the NRM MPs want to come back in parliament and behave like they are drunkards who have opposed this 3% supplementary, and now after drinking and buru roasting in Chankwans, they come singing that it is now okay?